Neptune, the most distant gas giant in our solar system, is home to some of the most powerful winds ever observed. Faster than the speed of sound, these winds are more powerful than those on any other planet in our solar system, including Jupiter and Saturn. Neptune's atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. Most insects aren't pests. Of the 1 million-ish insect species we know of, only around 1% of them are classified as pests. Insects pollinate our gardens, break down waste in the soil, and sometimes eat the insects we want to discourage hanging out in our vegetable and flower beds. Peppermint grows best in partial shade, where it has some protection from the midday sun of hot summer days. The plant needs frequent watering, but overall, it doesn't need much encouragement to grow. In fact, because it grows like a weed, it's not a great idea to plant peppermint too close to other herbs or vegetables because it can easily crowd them out. Around the world, city residents build gardens on balconies, rooftops, and small strips of land. A March 2023 study published in the journal Ecology Letters confirms that beyond offering food and an outlet for cultivating outdoor space, urban gardens provide benefits for the humans, insects, and animals who inhabit these leafy respites from city life. Most people are overjoyed to have a couple thousand square feet to call their own, but the world's ultra-wealthy are living in far more space than that. From ultra-modern mansions to historically significant properties, there are a handful of truly huge houses scattered around the world, each with their own perks and amenities. Initially, license plates were issued to last the life of the vehicle, but by the 1920s, registration renewal became a thing. During this time, states began experimenting with different methods of creating license plates. Typically, the front of the registration card would have the registration number in large, centered numbers, while the back would have the abbreviated name of the state and a 2- or 4-digit year of validity. White smoke from the exhaust is typically caused by water vapor, coolant leaks, and other engine-related issues. When temperatures inside the engine rise, steam may form, which could be an indication of a cracked cylinder head. A malfunctioning head gasket or other engine component can also result in white exhaust smoke, which can be a serious cause for concern if left unaddressed.
The university has a diverse student body from around the world. The university has a diverse student body from around the world. Social justice is an important topic in today's society. Social justice is an important topic in today's society. The campus dining hall serves a variety of healthy meals. The campus dining hall serves a variety of healthy meals. The university offers scholarships to help students with financial need. The university offers scholarships to help students with financial need. The economics department studies the production and distribution of goods and services. The economics department studies the production and distribution of goods and services. The campus art museum features works from renowned artists around the world. The campus art museum features works from renowned artists around the world. The university's Career Center provides resources for job searching and career development. The university's Career Center provides resources for job searching and career development. Climate change is a pressing issue facing our society today. Climate change is a pressing issue facing our society today. Campus life can be challenging, but it is also an exciting time of growth. Campus life can be challenging, but it is also an exciting time of growth. The university offers a wide range of programs to suit different interests. The university offers a wide range of programs to suit different interests. Social media has changed the way we communicate and connect with others. Social media has changed the way we communicate and connect with others. The business world is constantly evolving, and staying up to date is essential. The business world is constantly evolving, and staying up to date is essential. Last week we talked about how people recognize objects and really how well people recognize objects, given how difficult the problem is, given how objects can be seen in all different sorts of illumination, in different positions, in different angles. And yet we are able to extract that information. We are able to take the visual stuff out there, interpret it in a way that allows us to recognize all the different things that we can see in our environment. Today we're going to kind of carry on looking at that. We're going to look at what's really a special class of objects. That's the human face. We're going to look at how we recognize human faces and how we do it quite as well as we do. We're really expert at recognizing faces. So again, we can think about how do we take that visual information and how do we transfer it into a form which allows us to put a name to a face and to do all the other clever things we can do with faces. So I'm going to start off again by just pointing out that it's a hard problem. Face recognition is a hard problem, and it's a clever thing we do. If you think about all the different types of faces you can recognize and all the different types of information you can get from the face, you kind of start to appreciate how well we can do face recognition.
How many days does it take for a full moon to occur? What do we call a collection of large quantity? What are breakfast, lunch, and dinner examples of? What do we call the state of believing in oneself? What do we call the clothes that need washing? How do dumb people communicate with others?